Hey guys, I thought I'd share this update on Prize Rebel. Somebody said that Tap Research doesn't want you to, or doesn't assign points for trying anymore, which that is true. You have to either pass the survey or you don't get the points. And somebody commented on my page and said that they were saddened to see it go, and now that they're not doing that, well, where am I going to get my points? Well, there are several different ways you can earn points. My favorite tends to be the Peanut Labs, because that's next to Tap. That was the next best thing that was giving me my start. There's also Market Cube. There's Say So Rewards. I've already gotten 68 points today, it said. And so all of this, you just go through the survey, and then if you get it, you get it. You get the whole 111 points or 33 points or whatever they give you. But if you don't usually get this, you got 1 point for trying. So at least Peanut Labs is a good go-to if you need it. And usually if they give me 1 point, I say thanks by putting a happy face there and then move on. There are also other ones, like the Your Surveys. Those are good only about once a week. I've had only, a marginal amount of luck with those. And those tend to be anywhere from 77 points to like 336 points as of today. I could do a separate video on rewards and different things that I've gotten if you guys would like to see that. Let me know in the comments. So if you guys want to sign up for Prize Rebel, there is bunch of help videos here. There's also my referral link, which I will put in the description. If you'd like to earn more with Prize Rebel, do that. Click the Prize Level referral link, and I will see you in there. See, this will have however many people you referred, how many clicks you got. But if you want to do Prize Rebel, go ahead and get this link down here, this prizerebel.com/whatever it is, industry/whatever. I'll put it under the description tab in this, and I hope to see you guys later.